Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. So far we have learned how to create walls, windows and rooms in Dialux Evo. Now we will create stair in the Dialux Evo. In this video I will guide you step by step how to create stair in Dialux Evo. At the end of this video you will be able to create stair in your project. Let us start the video. This is the project on which we are working presently. So in this project we will create a stair. We will guide you step by step how you can create the stair. First of all, we can go to here, which this is called the floor plan, and select the floor plan. Then from here we can select the ground floor. In the ground floor you can see there is a stair, and we will make this semicircular stair in this project. And here there are two story tour. We will select the story one, and then we can select from here the ground floor and uncheck the first floor. Then we can go to the this point, that is the furniture and objects, and here we can select the draw tradition body and zoom it little bit so that the picture will be clear to us. These are the steps of the stair, and this is from up to down. Okay, so we will start from here and move in this direction. First of all, we will make the first stair step. We have selected already the draw exclusion body, and then select the here, click here point, then to this point. This is the dashed line. Then I will go to this point, and then this point, and close the polygon. Now here we have to put the position and the size of the step. Position is, we can lift it from ground 0.1 meters, 0.2 meters, and I will keep the width of the stair step 0.05 meters. Okay, then click OK. Then select again the exclusion body and make a stair like this, stair step like this. This is step second, like this. The steps are slightly overlapping. You are seeing the dotted and solid lines that they indicate the steps are overlapping slightly. You can see when we make the stair, you can see the steps are slightly overlapping to each other. And here this is step second, so it will be 0.4 meters height from ground, and the width will be same 0.05. And okay, then we will create the step third. We can select here this height automatically of the width of this step for 0.05 meters, and it will be set for all. Then we have to only adjust the height from the ground. Then select click here like this, and close the polygon. Now I will show you, this is step third, it is 0.6, and I will show you in the 3D how the stair is looking. You can see here the stair, the steps are going, have been created one by one. Okay, now we can go back to the floor plan. Now I will make all these steps like that. completed the stair. I will show you in the PDF 3D. You can see the stair is completed. You can see here each step is somehow overlapping. From here you can see it is little bit overlapping. You can see. Okay, now we will see in the building also. We click on the building and go to the stair. I will see where is this is the stair. You can see each step is coming down. This is the stair. Okay, you can see here. Okay, okay, now we have learned how to create the stair in the building. You can see from here also the stair. This is the steps in the of the stair. 1 minute. These are the steps of the stair. I will minimize it so that it can be visible to little bit to you. You can see. Okay, we'll go to the story first. It will be more visible like this. You can see here. This is the stair. Thank you.